Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the ACOS function inside of Microsoft Excel. So before we start, it's important to understand what exactly this function does. So this function will give you back the ACOS of a certain number. Also, the number that will be used is called the ratio, and it can only be between -1 and 1. This is why I have pretty much took all the numbers that are between -1 and 1 and have added them right here in this little list. So if we check it out, as you can see, all the numbers are here. We are going to run the ACOS function, and then after that we are going to create a chart with this function to see what it looks like in a chart format. So let's try it out. So pretty simple. In order to run your ACOS function, you simply have to write down an equal sign, so equal, and then you write down ACOS. You will have two functions right here. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to use the ACOS function that is just here. And then you will have to enter the number. So in this case, our number will be -1, or the number that is in the cell B4. So we'll just select it, and then we'll be able to run the function. So as you can see, the number that has been given to us will be pi, the pi number. So in mathematics is, well, it's p, but pi number in mathematics. And if we run it like this, so we'll run it for all the numbers between -1 and 1. So you'll see it will go down to 0. If we, for example, go in 0, which is right here, it's gonna be pi divided by 2. And if we go till 1, it's gonna be, well, it's gonna become 0. So it's really, it works with the pi number. Now, if we want to insert a chart and see what it looks like in a chart format, so we'll go right here inside of insert, and then we are going to select all our numbers. So here we go. And then we're simply going to click on the recommended chart. And this is what our ACOS function looks like in a chart format. So if we run it, as you can see, we have it just here with all our numbers. So you'll be able to understand that it starts with pi, which is right here, 3.14159, and it goes down till 0. It's gonna be the number pi at -1, and at the number 1 it will go back down to 0. So this is how you use the ACOS function inside of Microsoft Excel. So once again, if you have liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.